Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using this Pandas data frame, and this is basically a mini project where we're going to get customers details and we're going to get it out of a file called customers.csv. Now this is on my desktop. Here is the file. So we're going to get some customers information. Okay, let's have a look at last name there, Cox. Okay, so we'll just close that. So the last name is Cox that I want to get here, capital C-O-X. Right, let's create a function called Pandas CSV to get the customer details. So I'm going to create a variable here called last name, and I'm going to assign it to Cox, which is one of the last names in that file. We're going to create a variable df data frame, assign that to pd.read CSV. So the CSV file we want to read is above, which is going to be customers .csv. That's the file we want to read. Oh, I forgot to mention to you, we create a path variable here with a path to my desktop because that's where the file is located. Your desktop path is going to be different to this, so you're going to have to check out what your own desktop path is. And we import the OS here, and we also need to import the pandas, and I'm going to import time as well because we'll be working with the time module. Okay, so once you've put the path in here, you need to do os.chdir, change directory, into the path where the file is. Right, okay, so we're going to continue. Now we're going to create a variable called results, and we're going to assign that to dataframe.loc, which is location of the data frame. And then we're going to be searching for last name in the data frame, and then we're going to be assigning that equal to last name, our variable up there that contains the last name Cox that we're searching for. Then what we're going to do is we're going to print saving details, and this is where we're going to use the time module, time.sleep, and we're going to pause the program for 1 second. So we're going to sleep it for 1 second so it looks like it's whirring away and doing its thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a text file on the desktop with the customer's details in it. So to do that, I'm going to say with open, and we're going to give the text file a name, something like customers details.txt. Okay, and we're going to write that to the file, and we're going to create the file object here as file object. Okay, now we're going to create file object dot write, and we have to write it as a string, so we use str here, write the results as a string to that file. Okay, so we're going to save the details to the txt file. We're going to write them as a string, and now we're going to print out a message to the user telling the user everything has worked out well. So we're going to format the string using fstring here, simple message, file saved here, and then we're just going to type in path, which is to my desktop. Now all we have to do Just check that results. It looks okay located. Data frame, so last name. Okay, all we have to do now is to call the program, which is Pandas CSV. Let's just save that. Let's run the program. Okay, saving details, file saved here. Let's go and have a look if the file was saved there with the details in it. Okay, there we go, customers, open it, and there we go, folks. We've got the details of that particular customer, their subscription date, website, customer ID, and the index number 13 to 14. Right, there you go, folks. There's the info. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.